Hi everyone! In this episode, I will walk you through the diphthong oi and its plural ois. I will be talking about the pronunciation of this tricky Portuguese sound, and at the same time, we will cover some grammatical rules related to it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am a Portuguese American currently living in the United States, teaching Portuguese to the world through my online lessons and content on YouTube and Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe to support me on this journey. E agora, vamos começar! The pronunciation of the diphthong oi and its plural ois can also be challenging as it is a nasal sound caused by the mark til. First, repeat after me. Oi. It sounds like a piggy sound, in my opinion, if that helps you memorize it. Oi. You can find this sound in the verbal conjugation of the verb pôr, as in to put, to place, to set, to lay. The second person informal tu is conjugated as pões. The formal second person você and third person singular ele, ela are conjugated as põe. Let's repeat. Põe. The plural form of this is põem. And you can find it when conjugating the second person plural vocês and the third person plural eles, elas. Let's say it again. Põem. If you have a hard time pronouncing this verb, I suggest you watch my video, Great Tips on How to Pronounce Verbs. All other verbs formed with the verb pôr are conjugated the same way. For example, dispor. Tu dispões, você dispõe, vocês dispõem. And propor. Tu propões, ele propõe, eles propõem. But this sound oi is not only used in verbal forms. It is the most common way to form the plural of ão when added an s to its end. For example, o limão, os limões. Remember our video about how to form the plurals of nouns and adjectives? In that video, we talk about the plural of the diphthong ão in more detail. Remember that most words ending in ão have their plural with ois. Augmentatives included, as in casarão, casarões. Now let's practice the sound oi in the plural. Balões, botões, estações, leões, mansões, ações, tensões, corações. Do you know more words with this sound? Do you struggle with the pronunciation? Share in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe e até a próxima!